Hi everyone! This is a quick tutorial video that you can refer back to and use today to learn all about the benefits of your class notebook. We know that you are using your class notebooks in your math classes and your science classes. Well, this is how you're going to use your class notebook in your English class. So just like in your other classes, you'll go to your assignments for the day, and then in your assignments for today, Mrs. Miller is going to tell you to click on your class notebook. So on my ribbon on the side, I'm going to always make sure that I'm logged in through my Office 365, and I'm going to click on my class notebook. When I click on my class notebook, especially the first time, I want to open it in OneNote online. As a student, I'm always going to open my class notebook as a notebook online. And then, as my notebook opens, just like in my other classes, I'm going to look over to the side. Well, I know that my assignments are going to be down here, and Mrs. Miller has specific directions for you always in your Canvas page. So, in the directions that she has given you, you're going to know that you're going to go to Annotated Pages, Ready for Marco's Passage. So here we are. And just like in my other classes, I have something that I can work in. And I know that I can work in this because I have my toolbar up top. So Mrs. Miller has put the story in my notebook for me. And then look over here. She has made it a fillable document. So she's asking me in the first one, him is what part of speech? So I'm going to click on my box, and I'm going to answer Mrs. Miller. Him is a pronoun. The infant is Monica's. Well, then I'm going to come in and I want to say, I need to look at what she annotated for me. Yet from the moment her mom and dad walked through the door, cradling their football-sized infant, everything was different. So now Mrs. Miller is asking me to draw an inference. The infant is Monica's what? So I'm going to answer, what is the infant to Monica? And then I'm just going to click through and I'm going to answer all of the different questions that Mrs. Miller has asked me in my boxes. And then that is all that I have to do, because Mrs. Miller is then going to be able to come in and she's going to be able to look at all the things, because if I have clicked on the box and I have typed in the box, then it will not go away. And that is how I'm going to answer my annotation questions in Ms. Miller's class.